Frost or freeze for a lot of locations this morning. Got up into the mid-60s this afternoon. That warming trend continues into the weekend, but it's short-lived. Brisk winds kick in Sunday night. We're going to have a thin line of rain showers that will move through, and along that line, there are going to be some very strong winds. Now, ahead of it, 30 to 40 mile per hour gusts, but right along the line, could be up to 60 or more, something we'll keep an eye on. And behind that system, much colder as we head into next week. We're low to mid-50s. It's quiet right now. Gatlinburg's still a very mild and comfortable 61. It'll drop about 20 degrees by daybreak with upper 30s on the plateau, but no frost or freeze expected by tomorrow morning. Quick recovery in the afternoon. A lot of sunshine, light wind, low humidity. Should be a nice day. Upper 60s to low 70s looking good there. Upper 40s to near 50 Sunday morning. Clouds will start to increase. It gets thicker throughout the day, but it will stay dry. The winds increase as well. And we're going to climb in the low to mid 70s. So again, the warming trend continues, right? But the winds get stronger ahead of this cold front. This is through the evening, right up to midnight, and then look at after midnight. Those winds start to gust 40 to 45 miles per hour. It's ahead of a potent line of showers, maybe a few rumbles of thunder as well. Timing, we're thinking right now about 12 to 3 a.m. for the plateau, 2 to 5 in the valley, and after 4 east. And it does look like it will weaken. Right now, it's a level 1 out of 5 risk Knoxville eastward, but 2 out of 5 west, and actually a 3 out of 5 back towards Middle Tennessee. So the higher the number, the higher the risk of severe storms. Again, damaging wind gusts would be our main concern, and those winds could be over 60 miles per hour. That could easily cause power outages, right? So make sure your devices are charged. Make sure you have multiple ways you can get alerts in case they are issued. Now, 6 predictor showing about 1 a.m. That line's on the plateau, and then it's going to rapidly push eastward. This is 3 a.m., and then it's weakened and moved through. A few lingering showers, and that's not a misprint. On the backside, that air so cold could squeeze out a few flurries or very light snow showers, with any accumulations mainly confined to the Smokies. But it just shows you how much colder this air is going to be as we go through the day on Monday. So let's take a look. 11 p.m. Sunday night, we're still in the low 60s. The second number, by the way, is wind chill. You'll know when the cold front comes through. You're going to feel it, but you're also going to hear it with those winds coming through, and that cold air continues to push across the area. This is Monday morning, 5 a.m., so the sun's not even up yet. We've already dropped into the 30s on the plateau. You'll probably start in the 20s late morning through about midday. You may recover to above freezing in the afternoon, but not by much. I'm not even sure we'll get out of the upper 30s for highs on Monday. And then by Tuesday morning, these aren't wind chills. These are actual temperatures, teens and 20s. A hard freeze, meaning several hours of below freezing temperatures across the area. That's going to cause concern for any plants that are starting to grow across the area. So that 53 over 53 Monday basically means we'll start around sunrise at 53, and then temperatures will drop. Highs only upper 30s on Tuesday. Another freeze Wednesday morning, but we should thaw out Thursday into Friday, Elena.
Looking forward to Thursday.